Welcome to my channel. Aervy Extender Setup. 1. Plug in the extender. Insert the Aervy WR302S into a power outlet near your existing Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. 2. Connect to the extender's network. On your computer or mobile device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network named Aervy_EXT. 3. Access the setup page. Open a web browser and enter http://ap.setup or http://192.168.10.1 in the address bar. For login, you may be prompted to log in. If so, enter admin for both the username and password. 5. Select your existing Wi-Fi network. The setup page will display a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list. Six. Enter Wi-Fi password. Enter the password for your existing Wi-Fi network to allow the extender to connect. 7. Configure extended network settings. You can choose to keep the same network name, SSID, and password for the extended network or create a new one. 8. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup process. The extender will reboot to apply the settings. 9. Relocate the extender. After setup, move the extender to your desired location, ensuring it's within the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.